Hi, and welcome back to 959 Phonics. In less than 10 minutes a day, we're going to practice some phonics and word study skills so that you can go off and read and write independently and practice these word study skills. You are going to need one piece of paper or the worksheet that goes with this lesson. You will need a pencil and then a pen or a marker, something that writes in a different color, and you need a pair of scissors. For the first activity today, you will use the part of your worksheet that says highlight the rhyme. It has a pen right there, and you will need a pen and a pencil. If you don't have the worksheet, you can just use a blank piece of paper and number it from 1 to 5. So what we're going to do today is we are going to start with we're going to say the magic rhyme 3 times, and then we are going to write the word highlighting the magic rhyme. And the way we're going to highlight it is we're going to write that part in marker or pen. So here we go. Old, old, old. The first word that I want you to write is the word coldest. So think about the first part and write the C in pencil. Then you're going to pick up your pen or your marker and write the next part. O-L-D. And then coldest has the ending E-S-T. So you're going to write that in pencil. E-S-T. So what you should have is C in pen or pencil, O-L-D in pen or marker, E-S-T in pencil. All right, here we go. We're going to do the same thing with all of these word parts. Ite, ite, ite. Let's spell the word writing. Now, what's the ending on writing? I-N-G. And when you add an I-N-G, you are going to drop the E. So you won't have that there. So the part that you'll write in marker is the I-T. Ready? Write. W-R in pencil, I-T-I-N-G. Ack, ack, ack. Let's spell crackling. What's the first ending on crackling? Crackle. It's an L-E. And then what's the next ending on crackling? I-N-G. But remember, we're going to drop that E and add the I-N-G when we write crackling. Ready? Here we go. First part. Write it down. Pencil. Pick up your marker. A-C-K. Crackle-ing. God, that's a long word. Ick, ick, ick. Let's write flickering. What's the first ending on flickering? E-R, flickering, I-N-G. Okay, ready? Here we go. First part, full, I-C-K, flick-er-ing. Ash, ash, ash. Let's write the word smashing. First part, magic rhyme, and you're ending on smashing. Awesome. The next activity that we're going to do today is we are going to do a making word activity. So for this activity, you will need the letter cards at the bottom of your worksheet. You can go ahead and cut those out. If you don't have the worksheet, you can get a blank piece of paper and write down the letter cards that I'll show you. So these are the letters that you're going to need. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. And you do need 2 L's. Make sure that you do have 2 L's there. All right, we're going to start by making a word that you know, and the word is mall. So go ahead and pull down the parts to make the word mall. I love to shop at the mall. Check it. Now you're going to break the word mall, and you're going to say the parts. All. Push it back together and say mall. Today we're really going to be focusing on some parts like this, like all. We'll be changing that all into another part. So let's pay attention. I'll even write them over here to some of these word parts that we notice, some of these magic rhymes. The first one was all. All right, here we go. We're going to change mall to small. Run your finger under it. Where do you need to add a letter? Small. At the beginning. That's right. Check it. Let's go ahead and break it. Say the parts. Small. Push it back together. We're going to change small to smell. Run your finger under yours and see where you need to change it. Smell. Oh, I need to change the vowel. What vowel are you going to add for smell? Check it. Break it. Say the parts. Smell. And there's another magic rhyme that I'm just going to record over here that we're learning today. All right, push smell back together. We're going to change smell to shell. Run your finger under it. Where do you need to change it? Check it. Break it. Say the parts. Shell. We're going to change shell to spell. Can you spell the word spell? Check it. Break it. Say the parts. Spell. We're seeing that L part in lots of words. We're going to change spell to spill. We're going to change the vowel. Do you know what vowel you'll need for spill? Check it. Break it. Say the parts. Spill. And I'm going to record this other magic rhyme over here, this ill chunk. One more. Let's change spill to still. Check it and break it and say the parts. Still. So you will see these word parts, these magic rhyme parts in lots of words. Let's take a look at some words that have the all chunk in them. You're going to go to the spell the word part of your worksheet, and you're going to write some of these words that are on this page. I'm going to make them and break them for you. All you have to do is write them in the box. You can write them anywhere in the box, but you need to have room for 3 words in the box. The first word that I want you to write under spell the word is calling. I'm going to break this word. I'm going to break off the ending so that you can check yours part by part to see if you've got it spelled correctly. All-ing. Do you have this all chunk? Your next word will also have the all chunk. I want you to write the word stalling. Like if you don't want to go to bed, maybe you're stalling a little bit. Let's break it into parts so we can check to see if we have each part spelled correctly. Say the parts. All-ing. Do you have this all chunk? All right, are you ready for challenge word of the day? I'm not going to write this word because I want to see if you can use the all chunk to help you write it. The word that I want you to write is smaller. My cat is smaller than my dog. Write the word smaller. Check it. You should have this all chunk in there. So now you can take your sheet to an adult and have them check all of your spelling from today. And then when you go off to read and write independently, you should use these word parts to help you spell words correctly and to help you read words independently.